Welcome, UGC NET students, second session of Teaching Aptitude. Let us know about some great teachers. Ganesh, Nine Levels of Learning. His book, The Conditions of Learning. He identified the following mental conditions essential for effective learning. Reception, gain attention of students. Expectancy, inform them about the objectives of what they are about to learn. Retrieval, relate the new information with their prior knowledge. Selective perception, present the new information in an effective and easy to understand manner using different methods. Semantic encoding, help students to learn and retain new information by using of examples, case studies, storytelling, etc. Responding, at this age, students can demonstrate what they have learned through question answer rounds, role playing, etc. Reinforcement, provide feedback to students on the basis of their responses and reinforce important points of their clearing doubts and helping in retaining new information. Retrieval, assess their performance through some tests. Generalization, students should apply what they have learned to new situations and conditions. Then, with practice, they will be able to generalize it. Individual differences among learners. These differences are discussed below. Intelligence. There is difference in intelligence level of different learners. Some learners can understand quickly, while others may need to spend more time. Aptitude. This is the ability to do something. The learner's aptitude affects his performance. Age. Age affects the curiosity to learn. Motivation. Every learner may have different motivating force for learning a skill or anything else. Personality. The personality of a learner also impacts his ability to learn. His interaction with others will depend on his personality. Prior knowledge. Prior knowledge of the learner also makes a difference in his learning ability. Learning style. Every learner has a different learning style. Some needs complete silence, while others may need music to concentrate. Attitude. The attitude of the learner is also a very significant factor. A positive attitude will help in learning effectively. Environment. For effective learning, the learner should be in a comfortable environment. Health. The health of the learner influences his ability to learn, remember, and recall. Next, factors affecting effectiveness of teaching. Educational qualification. For effective teaching, suitably qualified teachers should be employed. Skills. The teacher should have the appropriate skills needed for teaching. Building trust. The teacher's ability to build a trusting relationship with students. Students will follow the advice of the teacher only if they trust him. Pace of teaching and learning. The teacher should know about the pace, yani uh, speed and capacity of students and plan the course accordingly. Ability to engage students. If the teacher does not have the ability to engage students, then it will be difficult for him to manage the class and present the content effectively. Personality of teacher. The teacher should have patient, caring, and kind personality. Learners. Learners are a significant part of the teaching learning process. Support material. The availability and use of the study materials, audios and videos, online courses, online tests, and other teaching aids, and all. Instructional facilities. These includes the classroom, laboratories, seminar rooms, projectors, whiteboards, and so on. Learning environment. Effectiveness of teaching also depends upon the learning environment. Policies of the institution. Effectiveness of teaching is also affected by the policies framed by institutions. Teaching models. School faculties and individual teachers create life in schools by models of teaching. They choose and create. States by Bruce Joyce. The different types of models are given: social interaction models, behavior altering models, personal basis models, information processing models. Social interaction models. Commonly used strategies are group discussions, projects, graffiti model, role playing, cooperative learning, social inquiry, etc. Group investigation model proposed by John Dewey, Herbert Thelin, social inquiry model and laboratory model proposed by Benjamin Cox and Byron. Behavior altering model. These models focuses on altering the behavior of students. Mastery learning proposed by Benjamin Bloom, James Block, direct instruction, Tom Good, Jerry Brophy, Carl Geriter, Siggy Engelman, Wes Becker, then simulation, Carl Smith and Mary Smith. Social learning, Albert Bandura, Carl Thoresen, Wes Becker. Then program schedule, B.F. Skinner. Information processing model based on the ability of learners. Strategies used in these models help students to acquire, organize, process. Inductive thinking. Hilda Tada, Bruce Joyce. Concept attainment. Jerome Bruner, Fred Lytle, Tennyson, Cocriella, Bruce Joyce. Mnemonics. Michael Pressey, Joel Levin, Richard Anderson. Advanced organizers David Oswell, Lawton Vanska. Scientific Inquiry Joseph Schwab. Inquiry Training Richard Suckman, Howard Jones. Synetics Bill Gorton. Personal basis models. The ultimate aim of this model is to stimulate creativity, self expression, and confidence. Non directive model. Carl Rogers, Enhancing Self Esteem, Abraham Maslow, Relaxation and Stress Reduction, Self Awareness, Fritz Pauls, W. Switz, Creative Model, William Gordon. Some great teachers: Confucius, first private teacher in China; Friedrich Froebel, founder of kindergarten school; John M.S. Comenius, father of modern education; Annie Sullivan, teacher of first graduate deaf blind person; Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, his birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India; Savitribai Phule, first female teacher of first women's school in India. There are some questions. First one: Democratic teaching is answer option B, learner centered. Which of the following statement are is or are not true? Option C, teachers are born. It's not true. Answer is teachers are born. A good teacher focuses on all round development of students. And the fourth one, authoritarian teaching is answer option A, teacher centered. Fifth one, consider the following. Option E, from analysis to synthesis. Then sixth one, micro teaching was popularized by Stanford University. Seventh one, what quality does the students like the most in a teacher? Discipline. The first Indian chronicler of Indian history was answer option D, Kalhan. Education is a powerful instrument of all of the above. Option D, social transformation, personal transformation, cultural transformation. Then the tenth one, which of the following belongs to a projected aid? Option C, a pediscope. Thank you for watching.